I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no drive. And they work me so damn hard. Work by night, then I'll pass by. And they work my nerves, that's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation, and I got my new foundation, yeah.
2 outfits. I have a choice. I have like a bodysuit that I got from I think Fashion Nova. Yeah, bodysuit from Fashion Nova, and I had these shorts, I think from Shein, and then I got this skirt. I think it's got from Rainbow, actually. Rainbow jewelry. This is from Shein. This fake Van Cleef, and this little cute bag. This bag is so cute, but it could barely fit anything in there. I think the phone I'm holding is the only phone that could fit in there. My other phones cannot fit in there. Then I have this bustier that I ordered from Amazon. Whichever one looks better. Oh, and the boots. I'm wearing these black boots. Yeah, these are the black boots I'm wearing. So, yeah, we're gonna see. And then I'm installing this wig right now. I sprayed in my lace tint. This one. So, I washed this wig like, I think it was Tuesday, and I left it out to air dry. And the curls are giving. I colored it also. So yeah, see, it's definitely giving. I over bleach hair, but we're gonna fix that. But it's definitely giving scalp. Yeah, so the scent of the day will be my Jimmy Choo. It smells so good. So that's the scent of the day. But I have some shades too. I don't know if I'm gonna wear them. So this is the first pair of shades. It's kind of small for my face, I don't know. And then this one has like more of like a glitter vibe type of thing going on, like that. They're both cat eye. I had them both from Amazon too. Amazon come in clutch with these. So yeah, these are the shades. So I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. I think probably this, because these look so small for my face. I don't know. So we're gonna see. Y'all will see from the thumbnail. Y'all will see what outfit I chose. Yeah, these are the outfits. I really want to wear the shorts with either top, but I really want to do denim. I really wanted to do denim and silver. So hope the shorts fit me how I want it to fit. That's what I really wanted to wear. So we'll see. This was just a backup because I already wore this skirt. But this and this, that's what I really wanted to wear. But we'll see.
I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no drive. And they work me so damn hard. Work by night, then I'll pass by. And they work my nerves, that's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation, and I got my new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Just vibe for my 45, don't get out of line. Yeah. Ooh, 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 pick a side. Only double lines we cross is dollar signs. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, I hear just got paid, making rain.
Just gonna go see Beyonce and Blue Ivy.
The crowd gon' move. Look around, everybody on me. Look around, it's me and my crew.
You was on stop mode, that force, page road, no force, check too much, go dip on the.
Look at the good buddy, y'all. Yeah. Yo. This is a regular line, I guess. Gonna find out. Nothing right there, yeah. Oh, you said 120, 120 section this, according to this one. 121, yeah, so going in. Ooh, what is this green? Going in.
How y'all feeling? I want to say thank you for being here. There's nothing more beautiful than seeing the joy on your faces, and I'm so grateful to be on the stage. I've been performing professionally for 27 years. Can y'all believe it was 27 years ago? And it's because of all of you and your loyalty and your prayers and your love, and I'm so thankful. Thank you all for riding with me. The song is called Flowers and All. Y'all help me sing it. I'm a train wreck in the morning. Now it's your turn. Sing. I'm a bitch in the afternoon. Every now and then without warning. One more time, sing. Y'all sound so beautiful. I'm a puzzle, yes indeed. Ever complex in every way. And all the pieces aren't even in the box. But yet, you see the picture clear as day. I don't know why you love me. And that's why I love you. Can't hear when I call. Set me flowers and all. And that's why I I'm a train wreck in the morning. I'm a bitch in the afternoon. Every now and then without warning, I can barely meet toward you. I can already tell this is gonna be a night. We're gonna have a time. Everybody to my right, how you doing? What about everybody all the way up top? How you feeling? Everybody down here, Club Renaissance, y'all good? What about you, fabulous? What about y'all to the left, to the left? I want to say thank y'all for dressing up. You look so fabulous. Y'all help me sing this last song. If I ain't got nothing, I got you. If I ain't got something, I don't give a damn, 'cause I got you. love y'all so much. Thank you. Thank you for the beautiful signs tonight. I see we got some Virgos in the house. Everybody celebrating their birthdays. Happy birthday. This next song is called I Care. Can y'all help me sing it, please? I told you that you heard, baby, but you don't care. This next song is dedicated to one of my heroes, one of my queens, Miss Tina Turner.
That lights up the night, the supreme element girlfriend. Are you ready to serve? Are you ready to slay? Hey! That is what I want to say!
Welcome to the Renaissance. Pull up in these clothes, look so good. Cause I'm in there, ho. You know, all these songs sound good. Cause I'm in there, oh. Dead ass. Dead ass. Dead ass. It's not the diamond. It's not the pearls. I'm that girl. It's just that I'm that girl. It's not my man.
Please do not be alarmed, remain calm. Do not attempt to leave the dance floor. The DJ booth is conducting a troubleshoot test of the entire system.
I'm one of one. I'm number one. Say! Addicted, light on his lips, I lick it. You me? That's what you are. Stilettos kicking vintage crystal off the bar. Category, bad bitch, I'm the bar. Alien superstar. Too classy for this world. Oh, I'm the girl. Need you talking to girl. Oh, baby, I'm too classy to be touched. I make them all in dust. I'm stingy with my love. Oh, baby, I'm stingy with my love. Oh, baby, reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category, sexy bitch, I'm the bar. Alien superstar, unique. We dress a certain way, we walk a certain way, we talk a certain way, we paint a certain way, we appreciate a certain way. All these things we do. We just reaching out to the solar system, we flying over. Bullshit, we flying over. Supernatural love up in the air. Y'all came to have a good time tonight. Y'all help me sing this first verse. I feel like falling in love. Look around, it's me and my crew.
Music stop mode, got flows from page road, no praise, chat too much, go clip on load.
That's that Kodak energy.
Energy, energy,
Going rough dinner, you know that we do it grinding. You know I gotta be extra when them cameras go pop, 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 pop. People waiting like da 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 da. Ooh la la la, that's the way them boys now when I walk through the block, block, block. And now ooh we that goosey, we was just chilling, minding our business, looking for something that lives inside. You won't break my soul, you won't break my soul, you won't break my soul. Grace Jones, killing for la shate, I do, chili from Philly, I like horny with that Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock necklaces. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas banner. You know you that bitch when you cause all this conversation. I always say gracious, best revenge is your paper. Nah, Diva is a, y'all look so good. Say, nah, Diva is a peanut version of a hustler. Say, step the track, let me stay back. I told you, give me a minute. up, I need the man for that money. Stick up, you see the man's where that money. Where my money, where my money? What you say? Can you see her? I like to meet her. What you say? Diva. We run this mother. us up. Hips tick tock while I dance. On that demon time, she might start up. Big beat and that beat stand for bands. If you wanna see some, here's your chance. She's trying to know this wine. Text coming this thing. Put you up on this man. Fuck my friend. Gang, 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 gang. You don't want to put jeans on, baby. I need y'all to put your hands up and snap those fingers for me. Over there, I swear I saw them cameras flash. Handprints and footprints on my back. Handprints singing all on my ass. I get shook with the music blasting. You like to call me bitches when we get this nasty. Red wine drip, built top that trash. Drove in each other trying not to crash. Oh, daddy, daddy, now you in my face. Oh, baby, baby, sweating out my heart. So, 45 minutes and get out of stuff. And we ain't even gonna make it to this club. She gon' shake that ass and them pretty tickle bitties. Get your racks up, get your math up. I'ma back it up, back it up. I'ma bust it, back it up. You see them great sweat, you see them blank checks. Money on the other side. Finally found the earth to smile. Swimming through the ocean, the tears we cry. I'm warning everybody, soon as I get in this party, I'm gonna go on this party. I'm gonna let go of me. Nobody can judge me but me. I was born free. Oh, dropping like a daddy, dropping like a daddy. I say now dropping like a daddy, dropping like a daddy. Oh, popping like a daddy, popping like a daddy. Good girls, acting bad, church girl, don't hurt nobody. Body, 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 kinky body, kinky body, 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 body. Baby, I'm to let me go. Ain't no worry, no. We can dance all night, get this Friday, and be so closer to me, so we can do the beat in your body. I ain't hurt with me tonight. Little sweat, it never hurt nobody. Why I'm dancing on the wall? I'm the one to let get your body, get your body, get your body, get your body, get your body. You want my body, want to get my body. You want my body, want to get my body. Hey, go! I will never let you go before I go. Everybody say, hey, Miss Carter. Say, hey, Miss Carter. Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here. On the window pane, I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Grace Jones. Grace Jones. We coming straight get out the jungle. Move, 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 move. Yeah, you gotta move, move. Anything you do will be held against you. You got to move, 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 move. Start off, make room. Stampede coming through. Big boss on the move, yeah. Bounce. Everybody around me, yeah. Oh, 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 bounce it. Pick it up like you found it. Find me, I don't need to call him. I don't need no phone, yeah. I don't need to call, yeah. You know me, I'm vibing. You and me's a vibe, yeah. Always get to vibing. This is how I move, this is how I move. Everybody, if you got your fans, I want you to pull them up. If you got your tins, put them up. I want to hear the clack. I want to hear the clack. Are y'all ready to sing with me? You know the words, right? Huh. Got a lot of bands, got a lot of IP on me. I gotta bend myself out. I gotta bend myself out. I gotta cool down. Boy, I gotta cool it down. Yeah, yeah. It's been a lot of years, really think you get one past me. I gotta bend myself out. I gotta bend myself out. I gotta cool it down. You got me. Whole lot of reservations, whole lot of texting with no conversation, whole lot of playing victim in the feeling at the same time, whole lot of money, not a lot of passion, whole lot of niggas be waiting, they want some time on it. Cool it down, down, like pretty, bad bitch, it ain't no bad bitch, bitchy. Fine, never ready, never like we ain't got time. Drinking my one time, minding my business. Monday, overrated Tuesday on this tip. Flip flop, ass bitch. Ban me up, what's my wrist go? Ban me up, stolen Chanel, lock me up in jail. Fingertips, this ain't fair. Dripped in my pearls like Coco Chanel. Uncle Johnny. Ban me up, stolen Chanel, lock me up in jail. Fingertips go tap to the back on my MPC, making disco trap. Uncle Johnny made my dress that she spandex, she looks so nice. Got that deep for me, praying up is deep for me. Come on, baby, go weak for me. Make you wait a whole week for me. I see you watching the video. Know you want it, know you need it. You want it on it, so I know you need love. I need some too. Do you want this? Like you want you. Tell that booty gon' do what it want to. Ain't getting one time, also cool. Don't see this racks on me. Now come and get I. We play baby like a trap. Hit it with the rap, put it on the map, and we right back.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the iconic mother of the house of Renaissance, Beyonce! Perfect 10 years old! Let's go. The mother of Renaissance now. The iconic mother. Beyonce. Say, oh!
Check my technique. Wanna feel this technique. Coming from my technique. It's pure. Bad bitches to the left. Money bitches to the right. You can be both. Meet in the middle. Dance all night. Take it all off. Just a little if you like. It's pure. It's a cost $1 billion to look this good. But she make it look easy cause she got it. You can find the one when the tempo good. 4, 3, 2, fucking busy. Check my technique, That's my technique, Bad bitch, Lisa, right and left cheek,
the old way, eating the old way. Shake that ass, shake that head, shake that head, shake that head. The next category is Jack Siren. We are the Renaissance. We are. This next category is soft and hot performance. Are you ready?
Thank you for your beautiful energy tonight. Thank you for this beautiful memory tonight. I want y'all to take a snapshot of exactly where you are right now, where you're standing, who you came here with, what you're wearing, what you feel right now. I hope you feel safe. I hope you feel a sense of release and strength and inspiration, and I hope you take love everywhere you go. But the Renaissance ain't over. We got one more. Can y'all help me sing this last song? In 1, in 2. I wanna house you, make it take my name. I'm gonna spouse you, make it catch your ring. I'm gonna take you all the way. Baby, can I take you all the way? You sexy motherfucker. I just wanna love you. Get the motherfucker. I just wanna love you. Feeling way too loose to be tied down. Can you see my brain open wide now? Come and get what it came for hell right now. Know you loving a role play, who am I now? I'm a doctor, I'm a nurse, I'm a teacher. Dominate is the best way to reach ya. Sorry about yesterday, not the sweet stuff. Come and see me, come let me eat ya. You never had a chance. Make my body talk, I'ma leave you in a trance. You working with a limb, this body make it dance, dance, dance. So good, so good, so good, so good, so good. such a beautiful audience. Angelica, Eden, Nicole, Danielle, Alice, Luca, Jacqueline, Jackson, happy birthday. I love you! Happy birthday, Lydia. Third one, True in the house. Watch next week.
That didn't feel like more. Happy 30th, sister. I love you. It's been her birthday. I forgot.
Call me, I'm like, no.
Who was trying to call you? One of your friends? Oh. So the concert is. But they didn't know you out here? Oh, you had fun?
Watch next week.
Do you want me to take a picture of you guys?
Is it next week?
I would like to, but she don't have her shoes on.
Because it hurt.
Oh, y'all want a picture?
No, that's okay.
Look at my bad sister. This is her outfit. Look, mad cute, and she want to take a picture.
It's not that